Ever pondered the mysteries of the red planet? What if I told you that some of the findings are enough to give you goosebumps? Well, brace yourself. NASA's latest escapades on Mars have uncovered baffling secrets and surprising discoveries that might just make you rethink everything you knew about our neighboring planet. So, here are the things that you won't believe what NASA found on Mars. Number 1. An alien tomb. Ever thought of Mars as a final resting place for extraterrestrial beings? Scott Waring, often hailed as a UFO aficionado, certainly thinks so. While perusing raw images captured by NASA's Curiosity rover, Scott stumbled upon a peculiar sight from a snapshot taken on March 9, 2016. Amidst the Martian landscape, he identified what seemed eerily similar to a tomb. And this wasn't just any ordinary rock formation, it bore a striking resemblance to earthly coffins, measuring approximately 2 meters or roughly 6.56 feet in length. What's more, Scott believes this Martian tomb showcases intricate carvings on its sides, hinting at a possible artistic touch. Although the image's resolution doesn't allow for a crystal-clear view, the tomb's lid appears slightly ajar at one corner, suggesting it might be hollow inside. This discovery, according to Scott, isn't just a geological anomaly. He's convinced it's a relic, a testament to an advanced civilization that might have flourished on Mars in a bygone era. While the image's details might be up for debate, Scott is unwavering in his belief. For him, this is irrefutable evidence, a solid 100 proof of intelligent extraterrestrial life once thriving on the red planet. Whether you're a skeptic or a believer, one thing's for sure. Mars continues to intrigue and mystify us with its secrets. Number 2. Ingenuity drone findings. NASA's Ingenuity drone, an exemplar of advanced engineering, was dispatched to Mars alongside the Perseverance rover. Designed primarily to collect airborne samples and crucial Martian atmospheric data, Ingenuity was uniquely crafted to endure the red planet's severe and unpredictable environment. Since its deployment, the drone has undertaken 29 expeditions across Mars, offering invaluable insights into its topography and atmospheric conditions. These journeys have not only set pioneering records, such as Ingenuity's longest flight on Mars, but have also spotlighted its role as the aerial eyes for the Perseverance mission. While the rover explores the ground, Ingenuity soars above, capturing vistas and perspectives that are otherwise unreachable. Among its myriad of discoveries, Ingenuity recently beamed back images of what appeared to be an otherworldly wreckage on Mars. These images swiftly garnered immense attention, going viral across various platforms and sparking widespread speculation among space enthusiasts. Amidst the buzz, NASA stepped in to elucidate the mystery. The captivating debris, as revealed by the space agency, was the cone-shaped backshell that shielded the Perseverance rover during its intense descent onto the Martian terrain on the 18th of February, 2021. The aerial shots from Ingenuity presented a distinctive viewpoint, showcasing the backshell's protective coating, which remarkably remained unscathed during its atmospheric entry. This revelation not only intensified the intrigue surrounding the Martian discovery, but also underscored Ingenuity's pivotal role in the mission. As Ingenuity continues its exploration, it persistently pushes the boundaries of aerial reconnaissance on alien terrains. Its findings, including the recent wreckage imagery, are instrumental in constructing a holistic understanding of Mars. These discoveries aid the overarching mission objective, to ascertain the potential for life on this remote celestial body. Number 3. Doorway on Mars. Ever imagine knocking on a door on Mars? Well, recent images from the Gale crater's eastern cliffs might make you believe it's possible. These intriguing snapshots seem to showcase what appears to be a rocky doorway. NASA, too, acknowledges this peculiar formation. They describe it as a doorway into the ancient past. But before you let your imagination run wild with visions of extraterrestrial neighbors, NASA clarifies it's not a literal door. Instead, it's a naturally occurring rock formation that bears an uncanny resemblance to one. This fascinating find was captured by the Curiosity rover in May 2022. Since its touchdown in the Gale crater region in 2012, Curiosity has been using its Mastcam instrument to photograph Martian landscapes. Among its captures was this unique rock fissure, measuring a petite 12 inches in height and 16 inches in width. Its door-esque look, combined with its diminutive size, prompted NASA to humorously label it a dog door. They further elaborated that while it might seem like an extraterrestrial entrance, it's merely a geological feature. Mars, like Earth, has numerous linear fractures in its bedrock, and sometimes they intersect just right to create door-like appearances. So while it's not an invite into an alien abode, it's still a captivating glimpse into the natural wonders of the red planet. Number 4. Mars quakes. Ever wondered if Mars gets the jitters like Earth? Well, it does. Enter the intriguing world of Mars quakes. Just as Earth has its earthquakes, Mars experiences its own version of seismic tremors. These Mars quakes are essentially the planet's way of releasing pent-up energy from its core, resulting in shakes on its surface or deep within. By studying these quakes, we might unlock secrets about the activity of Mars' numerous volcanoes. While we've documented quakes on the Moon and even found traces of them on Venus, our understanding of Mars quakes was relatively limited until a few years ago. The game changer, NASA's InSight lander, which landed on Mars in 2018, equipped with a state-of-the-art seismometer. Since its arrival, it's been our ears on the ground, picking up the faintest of tremors. 2 particularly significant quakes were detected in 2021. Anna Horliston, a seismologist from the University of Bristol, described them as unprecedented in their spectrum and duration. The first, a 4.2 magnitude tremor, was detected in the vast Valles Marineris in late August 2021. This canyon had shown signs of seismic activities like faults and landslides, but this was our first direct detection. Barely a month later, another quake, measuring 4.1, rumbled on Mars's distant side. Lasting a whopping 94 minutes, it set the record for the longest Mars quake ever recorded. So next time you think of Mars, picture a planet that's not just red, but also occasionally shaking things up. Number 5. Ice cliffs. Imagine being a geologist, sifting through countless images of Mars daily, and then stumbling upon a site that could redefine our understanding of the red planet. That's precisely what happened to Colin Dundas, a geologist with the United States Geological Survey. Amidst the familiar rust-colored Martian landscape, a streak of blue caught his eye. This wasn't just any blue. It was an indication of steep cliffs, towering up to 328 feet, revealing almost pure ice. This revelation suggests that Mars might be concealing vast reserves of underground ice, surprisingly close to its surface, even at its lower latitudes. According to Dundas, these icy facades might actually be the exposed fronts of glaciers. But why is this significant? Well, these ice deposits could serve as a window into Mars's climatic history. Even more intriguingly, they could be a game-changer for future human missions to Mars. Water, as we know, is a vital resource. For astronauts, this Martian ice could be a lifeline. They could potentially harness it to produce methane for rocket fuel and oxygen for breathing. And the best part, if this ice is just a few feet beneath the surface, accessing it might not be as challenging as once thought. The red planet continues to surprise and beckon us, doesn't it? This discovery also raises questions about the possibility of life on Mars in the past. If water, even in its frozen state, is more abundant than we thought, then the chances of Mars having once supported life increase. As we continue our exploration, each discovery like this brings us one step closer to unraveling the mysteries of our neighboring planet. Number 6. Flowing water. Ever wondered if Mars, with its barren, dusty landscape, could hold a secret as precious as water? NASA, in its relentless pursuit of extraterrestrial life, has always believed in the mantra, follow the water. And in 2015, they hit a potential jackpot. The Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, with its keen eyes, spotted something astonishing, signs suggesting the flow of liquid water on the red planet. Using a specialized imaging spectrometer, NASA detected hydrated minerals on Martian slopes, precisely where they had observed some peculiar streaks. These streaks seem to have a life of their own, darkening during warmer seasons and appearing to cascade down steep terrains. Yet, as the cold set in, they faded away. These intriguing patterns were spotted in various Martian locations where temperatures soared above a chilly -10 degrees Fahrenheit. But what's causing these streaks? NASA believes it's related to liquid water. The presence of hydrated salts indicates that they might be playing a role in these mysterious features. Just like on Earth, where salt can cause ice to melt faster, these Martian salts could be lowering the freezing point of a briny liquid. The current hypothesis? It might be a modest flow, with just enough water surfacing to cause this noticeable darkening. So while Mars might seem desolate, it's still full of surprises, hinting at secrets waiting to be unveiled. As we journey through the vast expanse of the cosmos, Mars continues to unveil its secrets, challenging our perceptions and fueling our curiosity. From the potential of life-sustaining resources to the remnants of ancient glaciers, the red planet never ceases to amaze. NASA's discoveries are not just milestones in space exploration, but also a testament to human perseverance and our quest for knowledge. So, the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember that Mars holds tales waiting to be told. Stay curious, space enthusiasts, and until next time, keep wondering about the marvels that our universe holds. And who knows? Maybe in our next episode, we'll uncover yet another astonishing Martian revelation. Stay tuned.